From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's closing print. And we're right on the close right now. You know what? Ching goes to stock market here in 2013. 4 weeks into the year, the markets are going straight up. And you know what? We hear that there's a lot of these big mutual funds, investment funds, they're starting to chase returns into the first quarter. That's not a very good sign. Year to date, the Dow is up 5.26%. The S&P is up 4.85%. The NASDAQ is up 4.55%. And the Russell is up a whopping 5.73%. The high of the S&P today came in at 1491 even. The low came in at 1484.70 earlier in the day. And last were 1489.40. We're unchanged. Total volume, 1.1 million, and when you take out the 200,000 from Globex prior to the open, that brings us down to only 900,000 minis. That's not good, my friends. On the MOC side of things, we had 15 of the Dow 30 to buy, small. MOC, we had 500 million to buy. Tomorrow we've got the Jobless Claims number, we've got the PMI number, we've got the leading indicators number, we've got the Nat Gas and the API number, and we've got the Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Survey. The 2-year, the 5-year, and the 7-year note auction. Now look, today's imbalances were one of the first times in several days, especially the Dow 30, where we didn't see it to the buy side. It was mixed, 15 to buy, 15 to sell. Really came out to buy, but at the end, what we're thinking is that there is going to be a little bit of a let-up in this enormous push on the buy side. So far, they say $48 billion has gone into stock funds in the first 3 weeks of the year. That's what we call a mad rush into the stock market. It's quiet here today. The VIX still is keeping a very, very big damper on the futures floor here, and we don't know when it's going to break out of this. We really don't. You know, what we can tell you is that when it does break out, we think things will happen fast. We'll see it tomorrow on the opening print.